Alright guys, this is Devi and I would like to welcome you to my channel. This is another crypto video about PantherSwap, and in this video I just want to show you how to swap your Panther that you have in your wallet into any other crypto, most probably BNB, and you take it out of the Panther platform. So guys, as you can see in my wallet, I'm having only 52 Panther at the moment, and I just want to show you how to change it from Panther maybe to BNB or any other crypto. So before we do that, I would ask you guys to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new crypto video about my staking platforms and some other passive income programs that I'm doing. And I would like to thank those of you who have subscribed to my channel. Guys are doing a wonderful work and I can't stop thanking you for that. So let's just jump in. So I have 52 Panther in my wallet, so I'm going to swap some of it. So we go to menu and then we go to trade. As you can see, there is trade will open and it will show you all that. So I'm interested in the exchange. So in the exchange it will bring that, so it will bring BNB, it will bring, I'll first select a currency here down and I'll choose Panther. So when I choose Panther, I'll click this arrow facing down so that Panther will be up. As you can see, now Panther is up and I want to change, so I'm going to change around just 20 Panther. So guys, as you can see, 20 Panther is worth a 0.08 BNB. So I'm gonna click on swap to bring this confirmation page and I confirm swap. So it will open this page as you can see it, and I'll be charged $0.75 US. I approve and it is waiting. So my Panther has decreased here. As you can see, it has gone to 32. It was on 52, and my BNB has also, I think it has increased. Let me go back and see. Don't remember how much it was there. So I'm going to go to my wallet. My smart chain has been 52, so it should increase. Let me refresh. Even my now, yeah. So my smart chain is 0.157 BNB, so it has increased by $50, and my Panther has decreased by 20 Panther. So because it was at 52, now it is at 32. So guys, that is how we change Panther to any other crypto that you feel like in the PantherSwap. So guys, that's it. Please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new video that I bring out every day. For new members who want to join PantherSwap and there is still an opportunity to join, this thing is growing like crazy and it is only at $2.3 US. Don't wait for it to reach $20 and then you start panicking to buy low and sell when it is high. So that's it guys. Thank you for the video. For those of you who have not yet joined PantherSwap, I'm leaving my link in the description and all the tutorials to help you get started. See you in the next video.